There you go. We had to make it spin a little bit. There it goes. What's up, guys? So in this video, we are going to be driving the Ford F-150 Raptor R. This is a 2024 model. I had to do a voiceover just because there was a really loud wind noise when I was recording this. But so this is the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 making 700 horsepower. This truck comes stock with 37-inch Be Goodrich tires for off-roading. And I hope you guys enjoy the ride. On the inside of the Raptor R, you have suede seats. You have suede on the center console with that red R logo, drive gear selector, a giant 19-inch screen. You have your steering wheel with aluminum paddle shifters, the red label for you to know that you're in something Ford and something special. Carbon fiber on the dash, carbon fiber on the sides, giant back seat, and it just feels like you're in an absolute monster of a truck. So I'm gonna just crack the windows. Oh, you got exhaust modes too and everything. Yep. This thing's sweet.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sounds crazy. Supercharged. Yeah. It's like the regular Raptor, you feel like you're in something huge. Yeah. And this you feel like you're nice. It feels like more like like sporty.
Yeah. But I like how this one, the exhaust modes are crazy.
Yeah. And then you can change the suspension, you can change the steering. Yeah, it's crazy.
Everything, like, you know, Apple CarPlay and all that stuff is on this.
Right.
And then my favorite parts about these trucks about the heated seat, the seat in the second row. Honestly.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice. You don't see that a lot.
Yeah. TRXs are. This is the competitor.
This competitor, yeah.
It's like, I mean, 700 horsepower in a truck, you feel like you're going twice as fast just because it's so big. Like, have you ever ridden a Trackhawk? Yeah. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. This is a truck, which is so much heavier too.
I know. Here, we'll get a little bit on it up here once it's open. Get over. That's fun. The TRX is a little bit more rowdy. Yeah. Makes a little bit more noise.
It's more aggression.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's Dodge for you, though.
So the new Raptors, we had a one Raptor, this green one.
Yeah.
The green Raptor that has a Baja mode on it too.
Oh yeah.
For the off-road one exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Insane.
I think this one might have it.
Huge.
This one has Baja too.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah, now it sounds louder.
Yeah, that sounded louder. Yeah. Turn it. Yeah. Rotor went out that way. Yeah.
There it goes. Everything flies open when you pour it. Yeah. And also, like with the 10-speed, you got to drop so many gears. It's like the 10-speed Mustang, like obviously nothing naturally aspirated used to ever compete with like Hellcats. Right. But even like a 10-speed, like 2018 and up GT, those are fast.
This next light is going to be a slight right for you to do.
Okay.
You just make that jug handle and you're just going to come back the other way.
I really don't want to stay shut.
Yeah, because it got all the other license plate in there. So
I got you. Yeah, right? Just can't beat that.
You can't beat that. That's an easy still.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a nice little route. It's just straight away.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I got you a nice little route.
Yeah. The screen is crazy.
It's so huge.
The screen is ginormous.
Huge. And then now all the, you know, all the cool camera features now on there too.
Oh yeah, with the tow-in features and everything.
Features and everything is there too.
Yeah, they've really just turned these into like luxury cars or trucks.
Trucks now too, which I like now, which I'm starting to like more and more now in these trucks too.
Right.
The luxury on the trucks.
I agree.
Now they have, especially more of the capability for them is to have like wireless charger spots as well too. But
right, yeah, that's what I just saw. My phone's it's sitting on the wireless charger right now.
Yeah.
I'll get on it one more time right here. That supercharger sounds so good too.
Yeah.
It's like just enough. Like a Hellcat, that's all you hear.
Yeah, that's especially the father's owner has a TRX too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I've been in that one.
You ever put them next to each other?
Yeah.
The old raced them?
We do, yeah. Yeah, we raced them, yeah.
That's crazy.
We raced them before, yeah.
What one?
This one, the Raptor R did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's the only thing about these trucks. I mean, I guess the TRX is worse, is the gas mileage. But like, you don't really, if you're buying a supercharged V8 truck,
you know what you're getting.
You're not really worried about gas mileage.
Yeah, because he hates it. He hates it for gas purposes.
Right.
He barely drives it like that. He hates how much gas he needs to put into it.
Yeah. Yeah, and they're big tanks too.
Yeah. Basically, we'll go on an hour drive. So this summer, when you drove it, we went to, I think we went somewhere in North Jersey, like took off out of.
Right.
And he had a full tank. He was already down to probably like a quarter tank time he came back.
Damn, really?
It was 4 people in the car, 4 golf clubs. Yeah, and half a tank.
An hour drive?
Yeah, an hour drive there and back.
That's nothing.
Yeah. Which is a blessing though.
Yeah, it's still not even good though, because my dad has a regular F-150,
right,
and that thing gets like 600 miles in a tank.
Yeah.
And just the little Eco Sport.
Wow.
Yeah, those cars are crazy. They're so over-engineered too.
Yeah, bro.
They never break either.
Technology is crazy on them, right?
I know, like a 08, you could go 260 miles an hour. Yeah, that car is nuts. I wanna ride in a Chiron.
Yeah, I like seeing those videos.
Yeah.
I like seeing those YouTube videos.
And like Koenigsegg's, like I haven't gotten a chance to be in any of those.
Is that the craziest car you probably?
The Veyron?
Yeah, the Veyron.
Yeah, I would say the most like visceral, like the sound, the turbos right behind your head.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that gotta be some real.
Yeah, it was crazy. But I'm a V8. I like V8s.
Yeah,
like I'm just, I like that drone in the back.
Yeah.
Like you can't beat a V8. I like the Dark Horse. A lot of people are hating on the newer Mustangs. I don't really get why.
That one, the one we have in our showroom, that one doesn't even sell. That was like a custom order.
Oh, really?
So yeah, that's why before we got here, that was supposed to be out. And then customer, like, as soon as we, a month before it came in, he was like, never mind, I don't want it. There's a slight left right here you can make. He just said, never mind, I want it. That's the one in the showroom.
Dang.
And he just, so now it's hard to sell that one. But that one's a stick shift.
Right.
As well too. A lot of people can't drive stick shift, as you know.
Yeah.
Which is, I don't know, it's surprising too.
There you go. We had to make it spin a little bit. Yeah, TRX, that's the thing too, is it spins so much more than this.
Yeah.
But I love that, like, that rev up supercharged sound when you are spinning.
It spins out so much. Yeah.
Is this car for sale? This one?
This car's for sale, yeah.
I got you. Damn, bro. So much Emmy's telling me to buy it. I like it.
Nah, this car is for sale.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, nah, this car, yeah.
What's your name, my man, again?
Denari.
Denari. Shout out Denari at Ford.
Yeah.
With Johnson Ford, right?
Johnson Ford,
Johnson Ford in Burlington, New Jersey.